Hello everybody, thank you so much for stopping by my YouTube channel. I just wanted to get on here real quick to share with you some fun supplies that scrapbook.com sent me. One of them is part of a release that is coming out this week, and it's very exciting because the supplies that I got is all about Christmas. And I know it might be too early, but if you make cards or you make any crafty projects, you know that the earlier you can start making things, the better you make your deadline, especially for the holidays. And that's me. So I'm very excited to share with you the new pattern collection that is coming out in scrapbook.com, and it's this Christmas pattern paper. Look how pretty, and it's double-sided. So each sheet of paper has two sides, and it's all very, very pretty. I love this pattern. Let's see what so far you have. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of each design. Look at these. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Look at those Santa Clauses. Oh my goodness, so pretty and cute. So let's see, what are the next ones? All the little gifts. How pretty. This one is so pretty too. I'm getting so many ideas right now. I'm gonna make a project real soon with this cardstock. Look at this one. Oh my goodness. If you know me, you know that my favorite holiday is Christmas for sure. So I'm very excited to play with these fun supplies. So pretty. Oh, look at those cute cards. Not cards, sorry, cars. Oh my goodness. So cute. So cute. I'm even thinking if you own a Brothers Scan and Cut machine. I have an old one. I might see about cutting some of those and making a card. We'll see. We'll have to see. Oh my goodness, this is pretty. Wow, this Christmas cardstock. Goodness, oh, look at that. So very pretty. And you get, what did we say? You get 5 pages. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 pages of each pattern. Goodness gracious. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pattern paper that you can get at scrapbook.com this week. And you might want to check the coupons section in the website, because there's always either a coupon, a really good deal, or sometimes a freebie that you can get with your purchase. So if you're gonna get this, check that part of the website so you can get a freebie from their site. They also sent me this mixed metal cardstock, which I'm already planning. Look at, loving this. It's like what, rose gold. I have many ideas to use this with the word dies that they also sent me. They have, it's Merry, Ho Ho Ho, and Jolly word dies. Very excited. I also got some nested dies that I'm gonna use also for a card. And this very cute stamp set. Oh my goodness. I'm very excited. This stamp set is called Merry Little Christmas. So many ideas, not just for cards, but also for gift tags as well. Very, very cute. A lot of projects with this I have in mind. The other thing that they sent me was this cute stencil, the Prancing Reindeer. Again, many ideas to use this with, and they also, which I have not tried, so I'm excited to try their adhesive, sorry. adhesive roller from scrapbook.com, and I got 3 new pops of color. I'm excited to use these. So this one, let's see, this one is olive color. I also have the coral sunset, and this last one is seafoam. Very pretty color. So these are some new fun supplies that I got from scrapbook.com. I will be making a project with it real soon, and hopefully I'll be able to share it again here on YouTube. So if you're interested, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you know what kind of project I'll be making with these supplies. And make sure to also like this video and leave a comment. Let me know which one of these is your favorite project. Until then, I'll see you later. Bye.